Did you know that all computers, laptops, and even Macs have common hardware components? In this video, we will help you learn what the various parts are on your computer and what they are used for. A new computer usually includes a setup sheet to help you make the right connections. Even if yours did not include a setup sheet, this video will teach you what these connections are, how to identify them, and what they are used for. All new computers include a keyboard, a mouse, and a power cord. These devices plug into the back of your computer. That's easy enough, but what are the actual parts of a computer? We will start with the outside and then work our way in. The outermost part of the computer is called a case. Whether your computer is old or newer, all cases have the same features. The front of the case is called a bezel. It includes the following: drive bay covers, power button, LED lights, a reset switch, and extra ports. Unseen to you are wires connecting the switches, ports, and lights to the motherboard. The case's side panels are removable. Just be careful if any fans are attached to them that may have wires running to the motherboard. The back of the case is not removable, it is attached to the frame. It includes the back of the power supply, ports connected to the motherboard, maybe an additional fan, add-in cards, and slot covers. The case also helps prevent radio interference and dust from entering the system. Now let's take a look at the internal parts of the computer. Inside the case we notice drive bays, power supply connectors, and the motherboard. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard. These are the ports typically found on the back of any computer. This is an older motherboard to give an example of older type ports. Some may be found on newer computers. PS2 keyboard, which is purple, PS2 mouse, which is green, a 9-pin serial connection for older modems and some machinery, a 15-pin VGA connection, which is blue, used for monitors and projectors, USB ports, which can be used with any USB device, an Ethernet port for network connectivity, more USB ports, an audio line in, which is blue, used to input sound from any external source, an audio line out, which is green, used mostly for speakers, but can also output audio to another device, and a microphone in, which is pink, used primarily with microphones only. Other ports not typically found on newer motherboards include a 25-pin parallel port, mostly used by older printers and scanners, and a 15-pin MIDI port used mostly for joysticks and electronic pianos. So, as you can see, the motherboard ports provide a very important function. They provide communications channels between your devices and your computer. So what are the other internal parts of a computer? Please watch A New User's Guide to Computers Part 2.